In this video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Robux with debit card on iPad. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to buy any amount of Robux on your iPad. Keep in mind that these reference images that I use are going to be on an iPhone, however, they will work flawlessly for an iPad as well. So, all that you have to do is either visit the Roblox website through a web browser or open the app itself, which is what I recommend. If you open up the app, you will find the Robux icon at the top of the screen, so tap on the Robux icon here at the top right. When you tap that icon, you will be able to browse through various different packages and the option to buy Roblox or Robux Premium at the bottom. So now you can choose any of these offers. Tap on the amount that you want to purchase or on Roblox Premium here at the bottom. Now, when you tap on any of these, immediately an Apple Pay window is going to open where you can confirm the purchase. Now, if you want to use a debit card specifically, it needs to be registered as a payment method on your Apple account. So if it isn't already, you can head over to the settings, find your account, and go into the payment methods available in there. Or if you prefer, just tap on this setting here to change the payment methods that are currently registered. So either back out of this menu and go all the way back into the settings, or select the option here. Regardless of what you choose, you will be able to assign a new debit card to make this purchase, and you can purchase as many Robux as you want. This card will also be available for other in-game purchases on different applications, so just do it through the Roblox player, and you will assign the card to Apple Pay. You can do the exact same steps on an Android device instead, so if you do it on Android, instead of going to Apple Pay, you will see Google Play Store, and in there you can also assign a debit card. I hope I was able to help you with how to buy Robux with debit card on iPad. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.